This is the entry specialist. What I want to talk about today are door latches bypasses. So in this configuration, right now this door is locked and I pull to open. I have this tool called the Sparrows Hallpass, which is designed to defeat this kind of setup. So all I have to do is to slide in and then pull, and then you have this open. Just try it a couple more times. Slide in and then pull. Let's do that one more time. So as you can see, it's relatively easy. You can actually do it with a plastic credit card, but obviously this being metal, it's a lot easier. Another tool that people commonly use is called a traveler's hook, where this is actually originally designed to remove O-ring from the motor in cars. So all you have to do is just slide in. Let's get it in and then turn. Again, just slide in and then turn. You can get these for about $5 in the motorsports shops, as long as you can fit the tool in, given that this is a bit wider than the Hallpass. So recently I've locked myself out, and then all I have is a Swiss Army Victorinox knife. So what I find is that if you use the bottle opener side, you can actually use this to open up the door as well. So all you have to do is to slide in, and then while you're pulling the door, kind of pull the latch inwards. Let's try that again. See? You can do this with any kind of metal piece or knife. Let's try that again just one more time. Remember, while you're moving the latch inwards, you have to be pulling the door back as well. So this is what I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you all next time.